John Curtin Distinguished Professor Igor Bray is a world leader in the field of atomic and molecular collision physics. He co-developed the convergent close coupling method to atomic and molecular collisions, which has unified the computational approach for all energies and collision processes.
Our work is about calculating how particles interact on the atomic scale. Collisions between particles like electrons, protons, atoms, molecules, they are ubiquitous throughout the universe. They're inside our bodies, they're absolutely everywhere. And as a consequence, there is no shortage of applications that benefit from their quantitative understanding. So our job is to calculate how these particles collide together, and the information that we gain from that is useful to other science and industry. Well, since the birth of my children, my focus has been more on helping the younger generation to succeed rather than just my own career. And so I got engaged with issues around education, and I do a lot of outreach at schools and encourage young people to engage in science, because I think they will have wonderful, happy lives if they do.